The home you've been waiting for in Northbridge, Valencia just hit the market.
And lucky for you, it's a complete blank canvas. Look what you could do with it.
Open that door to the kind of lifestyle you've been waiting for. Award-winning schools and low HOA.
This is the kind of place where families stay.
Craig Martin and Milanka Mendez, finding dream homes all across
SCV.
the Martin Realty Group leads the way,
Helping families make moves every day.
Northbridge living, this one feels right.
Morning paseos and backyard nights.
If you've been waiting for the perfect view,
This Valencia home is calling you.
yeah. Open spaces, memories to make. Every corner feels like a fresh new start today. 4 bedrooms,
3 baths, room to breathe.
a loft upstairs where the kids can dream.
Light in the windows, easy to love. The kind of home you don't outgrow. From the first glance in, you already know.
This is the one you've been looking for.
From the first step in, you already know. This isn't just a house, it feels like home.
So if you're ready for the next big move,